Hey guys, welcome to Smart Tech. Again, today I am going to show you one video about Epson printer. You can see in front of you there is a Epson printer L382. This is actually a ink tank printer. You can see there's a description written on the printer. Okay, the issue is what with the printer, that if you can see in my computer screen, I will give a print command to this printer. Let's see what it's printing. Okay, look, I gave a command, so now I will check the quality of the print. Actually, the issue is printer is printing the blank pages, and there is ink in the ink tank, but printer is printing blank pages. If you will not use this printer a couple of months or days, the ink became dry in the nozzles, so we have to unclog the nozzles. And look, you can see there is no print on the paper, no text, nor color, either black. Okay, so how to fix this issue and problem without taking your printer to the any maintenance shop? Stay with me and see the video how to fix this problem. No need to open the printer, no need to physically touch the printer. Just go to, if you have installed the driver, complete driver in your computer, just right click on the printer icon and go to printing preferences. Okay, these options will appear only when if you have installed the complete software for the printer. Okay guys, if you are not seeing this option maintenance or more options like main like this, you have to install the complete software from the website Epson. And the model is as we know, this is L382, and the same process you may apply L386, L486 if you are finding your printer is printing blank pages. I will go to maintenance option. Okay, here are many options, so I will start from the left. Here is nozzle check. It will check the nozzles, either all are clogged or unclogged. It will show you. Head cleaning options, print head alignment. The printer is printing blank pages, will fix through only this option, power ink flushing. We will click on power ink flushing. Power ink flushing option, guys, it will flush the ink through ink tank to cartridges and wastage ink pad. This option will indirectly clean the print head as well and unclog the nozzles. Okay, so and it will maybe consume a little bit amount of ink also, so make sure that before you start the power ink flushing process, your ink tank should be filled with the ink. If they are empty, there is nothing in that ink tank, so this option will not gonna work and maybe can damage the print head also. So you have to make sure that your ink is filled in the tank. I will start the process. This process will take approximately 10 to 12 minutes. So while you start this process, don't start it again until it finish it. Okay, it's showing that are you sure you want to run this function to replace all of the ink in tubes? A lot of ink needs to be consumed. As I mentioned earlier, it needs a bit amount of ink, so you have to make sure that you have filled the ink. And also, you know, if you can see the note here, the function affects the services life of the waste ink pads. Waste ink pad reaches capacity earlier by running this function. If waste ink pads have reached end of service life, this is sometimes if you many times you will do ink flush, you can find the message in your computer screen that ink pad has its end of its service life. So just ignore this message if you are doing first time. Just start the process. Alright guys, it's written here, please wait, and we have to wait 10 minutes, and right after finish this process, we will check again the print quality, and you will see that it will be fix the print quality. So stay with me, stay on the video to see the results after this process. So guys, you can see the process has been finished. Okay, so I will press finish to here and go to the OK. Now we will give a print command to check that either the prints is printing fine or not. We'll see. I gave a command to the printer. So it started the process and take the paper. Before it was printing totally blank page, and you can see now before print was on blank, now there is a text. So it's the head clean has been fixed with the powering flushing options. So if you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. uh, you can apply this method on different Epson model, L386 also, L382, L486. With the same process you can print, you can fix your print head. So take care guys, will I appreciate your feedback, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care.